In this video, I will show you how to connect Steam to Xbox account. So the first thing you need to do is go to app and then click on your profile. Go ahead and click on account details, and here you will see your account details here that you will need. And then go to Xbox app and then click on the icon profile and go ahead and click on settings. And then you will see this Steam here. Click on link to connect it. Wait for it, and after that click on I agree, click on continue linking, and then sign in your account here on Steam. And then after that, okay, so after that click on sign in, and then here you will need a code that will send on your Gmail, and then after that click on sign in. And here you will see, guys, that my Steam account is connected to Xbox. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.